So guys, yesterday I was just casually scrolling through Reels, and one particular Reel caught my attention. It had literally 2 million likes, and when I checked its views, it had gotten 39 million views in just 2 days. And guys, all of this creator's Reels have millions of views. Then, I found a YouTube channel uploading similar types of videos, and even though it has only 65 uploads, it has already gained over 200,000 subscribers. But this channel made a crucial mistake, which I'll explain along with the solution. But first, let's learn how to create videos like these. To get started, you need to use Chrome's site and search ChatGPT and click on first website link and sign up if you haven't, and then you have to write the prompt same as mine. Now after that, you just have to search Leonardo AI, and here also you have to sign up. It's an image creation website, which is best for creating AI images. Now, select the size of 9:16, it is same as YouTube size. Then click Create, and wait a moment for the picture to generate. Once it's done, download any image you like. If you want a hybrid image of other animals, simply replace where I wrote bull and scorpion with your chosen animals' names. Now, you need to get ChatGPT to generate a new prompt for you with the bull and scorpion together, but facing each other. To do this, ask ChatGPT to give me a picture prompt in which a bull and a scorpion are together, facing each other. ChatGPT will then give you a suitable prompt. Copy this prompt, go back to the site, paste it, and click Create again. Once you have the image you like, download it. Next, to animate your hybrid picture, go to the AI website. When you open the site for the first time, just sign in, and you will see a 2-option text from text and image from image, and click on second option, and add the image which we created, and on we have to write prompt, add motion. And you'll see a generate option below. Simply click on it, and your video will start generating. To download the video, click the 3 dots and download it from there. Note that the video may have a watermark at the bottom. You can zoom in slightly or blur it to remove it. Now bring both images into KineMaster. First, import the image with both animals separately, then import the one you converted into video format. After that, add some background music. For background music, I usually use something unique in my videos. This creator, however, didn't add anything unique, just simple images and background music, and uploaded these videos. That's how they got views and subscribers, but their channel didn't get monetized, and now I'll explain why. The solution is simple. Just add something unique to your video, like using AI voiceover. For example, you can describe how a bull and scorpion might look together if they were combined. Adding elements like these to your videos increases the chances of your channel being monetized. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. And if you want to become a successful YouTuber by 2025, join our small family by subscribing. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments. I'll reply to everyone. So, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.